Today I'm cooking simple Mapo Tofu with minced chicken. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 600 grams or 3 blocks of soft tofu, 200 ml of water, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, 135 grams of minced chicken. This is homemade minced chicken breast meat. 1 tablespoon of tapioca flour, 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of Sichuan peppercorns, 1/2 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of chopped spring onions, and 2 tablespoons of chilli garlic oil. Start with the tapioca flour. Add in about 40 ml of water and stir until the flour has dissolved. Leave it aside. Next, dry roast the Sichuan pepper. Use a steel pan to dry roast, as it can easily damage the non-stick pan. Stir for about 2.5 minutes or until the Sichuan peppercorn release their aroma. Alright, it is done. Switch off the heat and remove from the pan. Grind the peppercorn into a fine powder. I am using mortar and pestle, but a food processor works as well. Alright, it's ready. Leave it aside. Let's cook. Switch on the heat, add in cooking oil and wait for the oil to heat up. Add in the chopped garlic. Stir fry until golden brown and crispy. This will take around 2 minutes. The garlic is ready. Switch off the heat and remove the garlic from the pan. In the same pan with the garlic oil, switch on the heat. While oil is still very hot, add in the minced chicken and the light soy sauce. Stir for 1 minute or until well combined. Add in half of the pepper, a dash of Sichuan pepper powder. Add in a little sesame oil. Continue to cook the chicken for 15 to 20 seconds. Next, add in the tofu as is. Use the spatula to cut the tofu into smaller pieces. This should be okay. It will continue to break when stirring. Next, add in the balance of pepper, sesame oil, all of the oyster sauce, half of the crispy fried garlic, and 1 tablespoon of chilli garlic oil. Stir until well combined. Add in 150 ml of water and stir. Sprinkle some chopped spring onions. Cover the pan and allow to simmer for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, tofu and chickens are cooked with a lot of gravy. Now I can give it a taste. Delicious and flavorful. At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred. Add in the balance of the Sichuan pepper powder and the tapioca flour mixture to thicken the gravy. Give it a quick stir. Alright, gravy is thick and lovely. Next, add in the balance of crispy fried garlic and another 3/4 tablespoon of chilli garlic oil. It's ready. Super easy Mapo Tofu with minced chicken. Let's dish out and serve. Garnish with crispy fried garlic, chili oil, and spring onions. Looks so delicious. Let's try. Oh wow, tasty and flavorful. Tofu is soft and melt in the mouth. Very fragrant. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye bye.